Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the app. Make sure Messenger is updated and notifications are enabled so floating controls appear. Next, open the conversation you want as a floating window. This creates the active chat context. Once done, tap and hold the conversation's avatar or the new chat bubble icon to reveal options. Make sure your device's screen overlay permissions are allowed for Messenger. Without that, the floating window can't appear. These first actions now enable the bubble feature. Open Messenger settings or your phone's app info and toggle chat heads or bubbles on. Once enabled, tap the chat bubble that appears on screen to open the floating window. You'll see the small, movable chat surface. You can drag the bubble to any screen edge for convenience and tap the bubble to expand the window into a full-minute chat. If you need a larger view, use the expand affordance. Otherwise, collapse it back to stay out of the way. Finish by practicing closing and managing the floating window. Long press the bubble to remove or drag it to the close area. If the bubble disappears unexpectedly, check battery optimization and background restrictions because aggressive power saving can kill overlay features. Also confirm overlay permission in App Info. If that's blocked, bubbles won't show. If problems persist, restart the app or the device, then re-enable the bubble. That fixes most issues quickly and gets you back to multitasking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.